Okay, we've seen these things everywhere, these little water bottle things. So looks you can unscrew the bottom and put some food in there, so that'll give her like a feeding. So if I went out for a walk or something, I want to take some food with her. And then we have this, which is the water area. If I can get the little paper out. Okay, so then what we'll do is, then we got a little string. So we'll rotate this on here, and then it looks like it rotates on. Oh, to turn the water on, I guess you rotate it a little bit to let the water flow. So you can go like that, and it'll flow through that little hole when it's on, and then you can tighten it up to turn it off, I guess. So seems kind of cool. Oh, there, it rotates the whole thing like that. So there, on and off. So it's gonna be cool. So we're gonna be able to take this with us for walks, and she'll be able to have water and other stuff. And I can put this, I was gonna say, put the little string on here, so then I can have the water in there and have it hanging from her little bag that I carry with me with everywhere. And it'll have the little food in there and the water in there. And then I can turn it this way for her to drink the water when she's thirsty. And if she wants to eat, I can have some food there. Pretty cool. I like it. Very cool little design. And then turn it and turn it. And so you can get the water in there, and then I guess you can probably rotate it back to have the water go back in there. So nice.